In today's tutorial, we're learning how to make this glass morph effect in Canva in just a few minutes, and it really gives that extra touch to your slides and designs. And we're starting from a blank slide. First, we want to go to the Elements tab and look for a nice picture. I'm going to look for a lavender field and see what we can find. Click on Photos, and here you can select any image that you like. I kind of like this one. I'm going to drag it on the screen, and let's close this tab. First thing you want to do is you want to Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V to create a duplicate. Position it in the middle, and now we're going to reduce the edges so that we crop it somewhere around, we leave like a border. It doesn't have to be perfect. This is the area that we're going to blur. Now we go to Edit Image, click on Blur, and we're going to select Whole Image and then increase the intensity. I'm going to increase the intensity to about 40 and then click on Previous. And this way we have generated that blur effect. Now we can go to the Settings tab, select the image, go to Border Style, and here I'm going to increase the roundness. So I'm going to put it on around 80. Let's put it on 80 exactly. And here you can see, it's hard to see, but you can see that the corners have rounded off that rectangle that we have created, that cutout shape. Now we can leave it like this and add some text elements. So for example, we're going to add a title, glass. Let's increase it, make it white, select the text, make it white. And then we position it here, and we can combine it with, for example, morphism. And we're going to do that in a more subtle font, so Montserrat. And we go for the pin and also go for all caps. Increase it or decrease it in size and then position it below here. I think this title, I can make it more bold to get that black effect. I think that will look just a bit better. Now, if you want to make that glass morph effect jump out a little bit more, we can add some shadow. So go to the Elements tab again, and here we type in Shadow, Graphics, and now we want to look for this straight shadow. So we're going to copy it, or we're going to add it to the slide, and then reduce it in size so that it meets the bottom border. We're going to copy it, rotate it 90 degrees, minus 90 degrees, scale it down just a bit, and then also put it on the side. And this way we have that sort of lift-off effect as if it were a different layer. And now let's preview what we have. And this is how you can create this glass morph effect in Canva in just a few minutes and really add that extra touch to your designs.